How to unblock someone on IMO. Ever block someone on IMO and then realize you have made the mistake or just change your mind? Don't worry, it's super easy to reverse it. Let's walk through it together. First things first, let's open the IMO app. It's right over here. Once you're inside, you'll be directed to the chat section. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the profile picture which is in top right corner over here. Then go to security and privacy, which is the second option right here. Tap on it, and then on the security menu you can see an option called block list. Tap on it, and here you will see everyone you have blocked. Find the person that you want to unblock from the list. Once you located them, I do have only 2 persons right over here. So once you have located them, simply tap on the unblock button next to their name. You can see unblock right over here. Just tap on it, then confirm it, and it's done. They are now unblocked. Now you can send them messages, call them, and they can do the same with you. Was that straightforward enough? Let me know in the comments if you have any trouble with this step. Hope this helped you out. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.